Welcome. Okay, today we are going to create ladies ring. Okay, first we going to my ring rail, enter 0, type 17 to front view, line tool, here type 2, here 1.5. Now go to circle this one 2 point, 2 point circle this point and this point. Okay, this one and this line delete. This one I want to copy here, copy it. After that I paste. This one I hide first. One circle I hide. Okay. Now select this curve. I want to rebuild this one. Here, click rebuild 12 degree 3 and click OK. Now I want to on control point, click this one and select this 3 point and press shift and select this one to top view. I move this point like this. Okay. This point select, move a little bit up. Okay, and these 2 points select, move this side. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now I unhide my other ring rails. Okay, select this one, go to extrude command, extrude this one. Okay, now I want to offset this curve on surface. This command, select this one, select curve, select base surface. I offset 1.9. Okay, now I'm going to speed this one. Go to speed command, select object, enter, then select cutting plan. This two, enter. I delete this one, this one. Okay, now I'm going to offset this surface, this one, offset surface, select. I want to inside, I flip all, click this one and 2.5 I offset. Okay, now I want to cutting this one, select, go to extrude plan curve, this one. Okay, Now I want to boolean difference. Select this one. Select this one. Let's see. Enter. This one press enter. Okay.